Ever heard the saying, if you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen? Well, today's story is about a young man who not only stood the heat, but turned it up, cooking for some of the biggest names on the planet. This is the incredible story of Flynn McGarry, the culinary prodigy who became a chef to the stars before he could even legally drive. Imagine being just 10 years old. What were you doing? Playing video games, riding your bike. Flynn McGarry was in his bedroom, but instead of posters of rock stars, his walls were lined with cookbooks. He wasn't just reading them, he was devouring them, teaching himself the complex art of French cuisine. His parents' living room wasn't for watching TV. It became Eureka, a pop-up supper club where he served multi-course tasting menus to paying guests. And we're not talking mac and cheese here. We're talking beet curd, sea trout, and peanut butter powder. By age 13, he was already being called the Justin Bieber of food. But this was just the appetizer. Flynn's talent was so undeniable that the world's best chefs started to notice. He landed stages that's like an internship in the cooking world at legendary Michelin restaurants like Alinea in Chicago and 11 Madison Park in New York. These are places where getting a reservation is like winning the lottery. And here was a teenager working alongside culinary giants, learning their secrets and honing his craft. He wasn't just keeping up, he was innovating. His ambition was as big as his flavor. At just 16, Flynn moved to New York City to open his own restaurant. Jem, think about that for a second. Most 16-year-olds are worried about prom dates and final exams. Flynn was managing staff, designing a menu, and dealing with the cutthroat NYC restaurant scene. He wasn't just a chef, he was an entrepreneur, a leader, and an artist. His restaurant quickly became one of the hottest tickets in town, attracting food critics, celebrities, and anyone who wanted to taste the future of food. So, who were these giants he cooked for? The guest lists at his pop-ups and restaurant read like a who's who of the culinary and creative worlds. Legendary chefs, acclaimed food writers, and even Hollywood A-listers all came to experience his food. He was featured in the New York Times, appeared on countless TV shows, and even had a documentary made about his journey called Chef Flynn. He proved that age is just a number, and that passion, when combined with relentless hard work, can take you anywhere. Flynn's story isn't just about incredible food, it's a powerful lesson in pursuing a dream with everything you've got. It's about being brave enough to turn your bedroom into a laboratory and your passion into a profession. He didn't wait for permission or for the right time. He created his own opportunities, one meticulously plated dish at a time. It shows us that if you have a talent and a fire inside you, it doesn't matter how old you are. You can build your own table and invite the giants to sit down. What do you think of Flynn's amazing journey? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible tales of people who dared to dream big. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.